Samsung has announced the Galaxy Z Fold 5, a new foldable smartphone that features a few key improvements over its predecessor. The new phone has a new hinge that makes it more durable, a brighter folding screen, and a faster processor. However, there are no major changes to the design or the camera system. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 is still a premium device, but it's not as much of a leap forward as some people might have hoped. If you're looking for a new foldable phone, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is a good option, but you might want to wait for the next generation to see if there are any more significant improvements. Here are some of the key improvements in the Galaxy Z Fold 5. New hinge that is more durable and makes the phone feel more secure when folded. Brighter folding screen that makes it easier to use the phone outdoors. Faster processor that provides a smoother overall experience. Here are some of the things that haven't changed in the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Design is largely the same as the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Camera system is the same as the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Price is similar to the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Overall, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is a good update to the Galaxy Z Fold 3, but it's not a major leap forward. If you're looking for a new foldable phone, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is a good option, but you might want to wait for the next generation to see if there are any more significant improvements.